In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious homemade breadsticks recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 1/4 cup of warm water, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, 1 tablespoon of active dried yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Into the warm water, add in the sugar and the yeast and mix together. Set this aside and let rest for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, we're going to add in the flour and half of the salt. Mix until evenly distributed. Add in the oil and the yeast mixture and mix. Once a dough begins to form, we're going to take it out onto a flat surface and knead for 7 minutes until a soft dough forms. Once the dough is kneaded, we're going to place it back into the oiled bowl and we're going to cover the dough with oil. Cover with plastic wrap. Let the dough rest for 1 hour. After an hour, remove the plastic wrap and take the dough out onto a flat surface. Knead the dough and shape into a long rectangle shape. Roll out the dough and make it flat. Cut the dough into even 1-inch stripes. Roll each strip into a snake shape. Place on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Cover with plastic wrap. Let rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic wrap. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. While the breadsticks are in the oven, melt the butter in the microwave. Season with the remaining salt, Italian seasoning, and the garlic powder. Mix until completely combined. Once the breadsticks are out of the oven, brush the butter mixture on top of them. Our homemade breadsticks are complete, and now you can plate and serve and top with Parmesan. We hope you enjoy.